Hey guys, today I'm trying something a little bit different. In the future, more of my videos are going to be done using screen capture. And so, A, this is a test of me learning how to do it, for one, and for your guys' fun and enjoyment. But for two, something I like doing with my videos is sharing the videos on Facebook, both sharing it to my timeline as well as sharing it up here in the Facebook story area. And it's been driving me crazy. Hard to find videos that actually show you how to do it. So I'm putting one together here, nice little short snippet of how to do it. So you pick one of your videos, whichever one you want, doesn't really matter. This is one I posted yesterday. Doesn't have very many views yet, that's fine, I'm still growing. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on share, and it's going to pop up this little window, and it gives you links to embed a link, go to Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, a bunch of other places you can share things as well. What I'm interested in for right now is Facebook, so I'm going to click on Facebook, and it's going to pop up this nice window that's got your video linked into it already. It gives you an option to share to Newsfeed or Story, and there you go, it's responding. You can share it to groups or events or pages that you have. You can send it in a private message if you want to get specific targeting to who you want to send it to. But what I was interested in is way down here where it gives you the option to go to Newsfeed or Story. You can unselect Newsfeed and click on Story, or you can do both and it will send you or it will place a link on both your Facebook newsfeed as well as in the Your Story position. And you're just going to type whatever you need to. You come up with a snappy slogan up here for you to link it to, and then you'll click this big post to Facebook link at the bottom, and it will send it over here to post it onto Your Story. It'll post it there, so anybody who clicks on it will be able to click on it. It's not going to show it very well here. It's screaming by real fast. But you have a link here that shows your video. This is not a clickable link on your laptop, but you're going to be able to click it on a cell phone through the Facebook app, and it will take you to your YouTube video once you do that. And I'll show a little graphic here in a moment showing my cell phone screen. I haven't figured out video capture on that yet, but I'm going to get to it eventually. This will also post to your Facebook newsfeed. As you can see right here, that same video I had linked on YouTube pops up in my newsfeed, and you can scroll down and see all the other videos I've been posting on Facebook just to show you some point of reference. So there you have it, a quick and dirty video on how to share your video from YouTube onto your Facebook story and onto your Facebook newsfeed. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, click subscribe and like my video. Thank you.